welcome back to another video on this channel, Armin's Cooking.
Hey buddy, how are you, man?
I'm good, man. How are you?
Good. What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just preparing for my cooking show.
Yeah?
And I was wondering, do you want to cook for me today?
Are you sure? Why? What are you cooking?
Well, today I was planning to make a chicken biryani.
Oh, Punjabi's murga biryani.
Murga biryani, yeah. So, how about you cook for me and I'll assist you today?
Why not, man? Come on. I'll show you how to cook.
Yeah.
Herman, so पहला अपन चिकन को मैरिनेट कर दे हैं.
Okay.
ठीक है?
So guys, let's first marinate our chicken. Okay, Papa, so what we're using to marinate our chicken?
Okay, Herman, we add the yogurt first.
Okay.
Red chili.
This will bring a nice red color to the chicken, guys.
Turmeric powder.
Salt. Diced up tomatoes.
Garlic ginger paste. Coriander. Mint. Onion, roasted onion.
And then nicely mix them up together.
Yes. So Herman, his marination is ready.
Yeah.
So next step, we cook the rice. Okay.
Okay, let's go.
So Herman, we soak the rice for 15 minutes.
Okay. Okay, guys. So our rice is soaking, and now it's time to make the chicken for our biryani.
Okay, Herman, I show you how to make easiest and fastest chicken biryani in the pressure cooker. Okay.
Okay, let's
Yes.
see.
Come on, I'll show you. Put some ghee.
Yeah.
Little bit cooking oil.
Some dried spices we have. Yeah. Mix them around nicely.
We can add the chicken now.
Oh, wow, the sizzle is amazing. The color from the chicken is also very tempting.
See this chicken, Herman?
Yeah, it looks very nice.
So we can put the lid on cooking 10 minutes.
Okay, should be ready by then.
Yes.
Okay guys, now it's time to cook the rice.
Oil. Garam masala. Dry spices. And water.
Okay, the water is boiling, and now we're going to be adding in our rice. Okay guys, our raita is ready.
Yeah, Herman, rice is ready now, nearly 70%. We can drain the rice now.
Okay.
Herman, so now we add the rice
Into the chicken.
Yeah.
Now we're going to cover it.
Cover the lid. We leave for the 5 minutes for the low heat.
Yeah.
Then biryani is ready.
Okay, can't wait. Plating is completed, but before we taste, I just want to say a massive thank you to my dad who helped me throughout this whole video. And during my study pressure, I have exams coming up. He's really helped me and I really appreciate it. And in the beginning you said it was a nice, quick, simple dish to make, and you did just that. It looks so easy to make and it's such a beautiful dish. So I just want to say thank you.
Yeah,
Thanks so much.
Welcome, man.
So, without wasting time, let's eat.
Yeah,
Okay.
it is.
Here's your spoon,
Thank
and
you.
since you made it, you should have the first bite.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'll have a bite too, why not?
What do you think?
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so good. The rice is so soft and it's nice and fluffy, just like the clouds. And the flavors in the biryani, it's magnificent, superb. The spices has a nice taste to it. And yeah, it's just a magnificent dish all around. I think we should try it with the raita.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Put it here. With the raita, it just brings in a different element to the biryani, different taste. And it's nice and refreshing with the fresh vegetables and the yogurt. It's magnificent. And
So what do you think? You like it?
I love it. Thank you so much for being in the video. I really appreciate it. And that's going to be it for the video, guys. Please leave a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. And
Have a good day.